Back again, guys. There's only 2 minutes before NYSE, guys, and this is how we're moving so far. You can see nice equity. We're on 400 now, guys. So obviously we're just gonna hold and wait, guys. Pretty excited to what NYSE has to offer for us, right? Wow. Real account, of course, guys. There's a real account, of course. Just for those waiting, just for those waiting. 1 minute left, guys. Just a few seconds left. But you can see that we are seeing deep profits, guys. Wow. Literally, guys, we're literally milking the market right now. We're literally milking the market right now. Wow. Clean buy setup, guys. Nothing is forced here. Clean buy setup, as you can see. Price is literally shooting up, giving us massive profits. Wow, guys. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. This is lovely, man. This is just lovely, man. Lovely profits indeed. You can see. Clean setup, guys. Clean setup. NYSE is kicking in, guys.
I've noticed that a lot of people are struggling with trading fundamentals, guys. And the reason for this is not that their strategy is not working or anything like that, but simply they don't know what fundamental trading is, guys. And this is what all this video is about, right? Wait, guys, I don't think I said welcome back. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel of finance, guys. You already know it's your boy. Let's to the EGO, guys. So basically, guys, on today's video I just want to show you guys how to like read these fundamental news, right? Obviously I'm going to give you websites for you to be like able to like read, these fundamentals and be able to like trade them and make money out of these fundamentals, because like it's the quickest way, guys, to like increase your capital, right? So yeah, guys, we're just gonna start with fundamentals, guys. First things first, what is fundamentals, guys, in Forex, guys? Today I'm testing everything up, guys. If you're new to this channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button and obviously turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Yeah, let's jump into it, guys. So what is fundamental in Forex, guys? Fundamental analysis involves assessing the economic well-being of a country and, by extension, the currency. It does not take into account currency price movements. Guys, you have to know this one, guys. Fundamental trading, guys, does not determine the price direction, right? It only creates volatility in the market. Not that when it buys, it's gonna buy forever, right? It does not determine the direction, guys. Only technical analysis can give you the direction of the market, right? So rather, fundamental traders will use data points to determine the strength of a particular currency. And this is what I want to show you guys, obviously, how to read these data points, and so you can be able to like determine the strength of that particular currency pair, right? So yeah, guys, without any further waste of time, guys, let's just jump into it. So the first thing of which you're gonna do, guys, you're just gonna go to your Google, or sorry about that. uh Yes, guys. The first thing of which you're gonna do, guys, you're just gonna go to your Google or whichever server you're using, right? And you're gonna search Forex Factory, guys. Forex Factory is obviously a website of which we can be able to like, read these data and obviously analyze these data and know what to expect, right? So obviously after searching Forex Factory, it's gonna give you all these, guys, and you're just gonna click on the calendar, guys. I don't know if my oh yeah, my network, it seems to be fine. So you're just gonna click on the calendar, right? And what you wanna do, guys, obviously is just it's gonna give you all these. Then you're just gonna click on the filter right over there, guys. You can see there's the filter there. Then you're gonna take out all these, guys. These are all the unimportant news, guys. The red one is the highly important news, right? So obviously after doing that, guys, you also just gonna take out these, guys, all these unimportant things. You can see, guys, like it's totally unimportant, right? So you're just gonna leave out the growth, inflation, employment, central banks, and speeches, right? Because obviously that's where the big boys come in place, right? Then you're just gonna obviously remove all these currency pairs and just leave the USD pair. I don't know about you guys, but I don't trade like other fundamentals, right? Even with USD guys, I only like trade I think three or two fundamentals. I know I trade CPI and NFP. Sometimes I trade FOMC, core price, things like that, guys. So we're just gonna apply the filter. And obviously after applying the filter, you can see now, guys, it gives you these guys, right? So we're just gonna wanna read all data, right? So I'm just gonna go back to like I think CPI was on the 13th of Feb. Yes. Can see here, guys, we have CPI, right? We have our detail here. We have our actual forecast and previous, guys. So what you want to do, guys, you want to focus on the actual and the forecast, guys. The previous doesn't really matter, right? So I just want to show you how to read these, right? People, they go into these the detail and stuff to read furthermore and stuff like that. But I don't usually do that, guys. I usually just focus on the actual and the forecast, guys. So what I usually do, guys, when the actual is higher than the forecast, guys, obviously it's bullish for USD, right? Meaning that all these USD pairs like the USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, they're gonna buy. And then the NES 100, gold, indices, like anything that comes let me just do this, guys, so you can be able to understand, right? So if the actual is obviously higher than the forecast, guys, anything that starts with USD, anything that starts with USD, it's gonna buy, right? Anything that starts with USD XXXX, it's gonna buy. And then those ones that starts with obviously the other currency pairs and then the USDs at the end, they're gonna obviously go in the opposite direction. And by these guys, I mean the NES 100, gold, all these other pairs, right? So if obviously the actual is lower than the forecast, then the USD guys is going to buy, right? So seeing that on the 13th of February, guys, CPI, obviously all these news, they were bullish, right, for USD. So obviously gold and NES 100 and all these pairs, guys, obviously they were to sell, right? And I'm just gonna show you guys what happened. Let's just look for the 13th, guys, so I can be able to show you guys. Bear in mind, guys, me, guys, I base most of my bias on technical analysis, guys. Like, I don't care what these other traders say. I'm not a fundamental trader, but I know how to read these fundamentals, right? However, I am a technical trader, guys, and obviously I'm going to base my bias on the technical analysis, right? So obviously on the 13th, guys, you can see this is the whole move. This is the whole CPI move. We actually killed this one, guys. I sent a signal, obviously with my premium members, and we chopped it up, right? So I'm just gonna show you how I was able to see and predict the movement, right? Remember, guys, I told you technical analysis, guys, will determine your direction, and fundamentals, they just create volatility, right? So obviously, I don't need to go any further because I found the setup on the 1 hour time frame, right? So looking at gold, guys, during CPI, I saw that here we have some sort of a downtrend structure, right? We had some sort of a downtrend structure. You can see here having our first touch here, second touch, third touch. And when this candlestick closed below, guys, before like CPI, right? When the previous candlestick closed below, I knew that CPI we were going to sell, guys. Whether we have our confirmations and stuff like that, I just knew that we were going to sell simply because of the market direction, guys. We were in a downtrend, right? So obviously seeing this, I did send a signal on gold, told them to take those sellers, guys, and obviously you can see how gold move, guys. You like literally melted, right? Simple, simple, simple. And you can see the data too, guys. It makes sense because the data is bullish for USD, meaning all the USD pairs, they went up, and the gold indices and all these other pairs that starts with XXX USD, they went down, right? So hence this is why gold went down, right, guys? So simple, guys. You don't need to like complicate everything. You just know that when the actual, guys, when the actual is higher than the forecast, right? The forecast, guys, is when all these fundamental analysts and stuff like that, obviously the big boys, they forecast that price will come out with this amount of percentage, right? So if the actual is actually higher than what they forecasted, it's actually good for USD, and obviously it gives signs that USD is gonna go up, right? And then all these other companies that comes within the USD, they're gonna go in the opposite direction, guys. So I hope you get to understand that, guys. So let's just check NFP2, guys. Let's just check NFP2 so we can be able to like read and be able to like see what happened during NFP. You see, guys, same thing with NFP, guys. All the news here, the actual, it was higher than the forecast, meaning that all the USD pairs, guys, they went up, and the gold, S100 indices, all these pairs, they went down, right? So let's just check what happened on the 2nd of Feb, right? You can see here, this is the second, guys. Gold went down as anticipated because you saw that the actual was actually higher than the forecast. So meaning that all these gold indices, they went down. So just gonna show you how I was able to like, look at gold, guys, like how I was able to forecast that gold was actually gonna like give us those movements towards the downside, right? Technical analysis, guys. Don't forget that, guys. Me, I based most of my bias on technical analysis, guys. But then at the end of the day, we are different traders, and we obviously gonna do things different, right? So with gold, guys, during NFP, it was quite simple, guys. That price has been respecting this level right over here, right? You can see that here it's supported, then broke below, resisted, and even here, guys, it's been resisting. So obviously seeing this, guys, and look at this, guys, I just want you guys to see this. You see, guys, here we had a reversal candlestick, obviously um on our resistance level, guys. Price respected this resistance level and gave us a bearish engulfing candlestick. And obviously, seeing this, guys, we knew that during NFP, guys, we are going to sell, right? So jumping onto the 1 hour time frame, guys, um just to see what happened. Jumping onto the 1 hour time frame, guys, you can see that price obviously has been playing around this level, and this is how we were able to like catch these trades on NFP, right? I didn't actually read the data. I'm not gonna lie and say I read the data on this one. I just based my bias on like technical analysis alone, guys, without even going to Forex Factory. But then just so you can see, guys, you see with Forex Factory, guys, how it can help you is that you can see that the actual, guys, was actually higher than the forecast, meaning that obviously gold will sell, guys, and all these USD pairs will buy, guys. So yeah, let me know, guys, if obviously this video brings value, or if you don't understand further, guys, just let me know so I can be able to like shoot properly, guys, and just clarify things properly for you guys so you can be able to like understand, guys. Otherwise, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section about this video. Let me know what type of videos you want me to create, guys. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. Otherwise, I will catch you on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching this one, guys. Tango.